Congratulations and welcome to all. Hopefully you are well by the grace of Almighty. Our lesson, Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh. Look at the board, the caption, Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh. 12th assignment, English first paper, class 9. Dear student, in Corona period, we must take self-care and more conscious about the COVID-19. Before going to real class, I will give you some tips about coronavirus. That means self-care. Emergency period, you will call your health care or doctor, or you will connect with COVID-19 hotline. We cooperate with one another to stop the spread of the virus. Try to stay at home. If you are quarantined, you will not go to work or school or office or public places. Keep 1 meter distance from any other. You will conscious about food and nutritious. Wash your hands frequently and use mask. Keep the room well ventilated so that the wind can pass through the ventilated. Monitor yourself. If you see any sign dangerously, use medical masks and call your doctor. Keep fit and by exercising at home. So, dear student, some tips about the COVID-19 or coronavirus. We are going to start our real class. 12th assignment, class 9. Our fixed or Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh. Suppose you want to celebrate the Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh in your school. You will organize the program. You will assign to organize the program. What will you plan to be a stage? Dear student, you know that I have not seen the War of Liberation, but I have come to learn that Pakistan Occupation Army attacked 25 months in 1971. They killed many people. Many people went to India and took shelter. Not only shelter, but also took many freedom fighters guerrilla training to fight against Pakistan Occupation Army. Dear student, at the time, ex-Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, supported and campaigned for us. You know, Pakistani army also tortured on us that after 9 months fighting, we got freedom. 16 December 1971, we got freedom. 92,000 Pakistan occupation army surrendered. Racecourse Maidan, Dhaka. At last, we got independent country, and we are very happy that we are going to celebrate the cultural program Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh in our school. You know, 26 March is our Independence Day. It is a red letter day of our history. We will go to National Memorial and we will bow down our head. National Memorial built with concrete, but it is built with blood. So 16 December is also a red letter day in our history. Dear student, you know, in our school we want to celebrate the program, cultural program Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh. What will you do? At first, we start our program from the recite of Holy Quran. One of the students will recite some ayat from the Holy Quran, and another student will mean. After recitation of Holy Quran, all the members will sing national anthem simultaneously. Next, the student will recite some poem about the Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh and Bangabandhu. This poem enchant everyone, and this poem remind us the struggle of 1971. After that, the student will sing song. This song enchant everyone, and everybody will be happy to listen the song. This song commemorate the martyrs and freedom fighter. Dear student, next the student will present a drama. The drama play an important role on War of Liberation in 1971. This drama remember the heroic son of martyrs who sacrificed their life, and we got independent country cost of many lives. Next, the student will arrange a dance with song. This dance will more enrich to beautification the cultural program. After that, a student will deliver a history about the War of Liberation. Before deliver the liberation, I would tell the head teacher will speak, and he will deliver to pay attention. He will offer the floor of the chief guest. One of the student will present or deliver a long history of War of Liberation. After the performance of the students' speech, the guest will deliver a speech. He will deliver the performance of the student and he will mention the performance, the whole program. After that, the president will deliver a speech of the total program and he will deliver a long speech about the freedom fighter, matters, development of Bangladesh and present situation. And the president will conclude the program. Dear student, a group of children will release hundreds of balloons into a sky and they enjoy the program. In the finishing line, we are so happy to arrange this program and we will be able to organize a dynamic program. So, Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh is to celebrate in our school and we are very happy to commemorate the struggle and sacrifice of the freedom fighters in 1971. You know that Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh mention the independence of Bangladesh, victory of Bangladesh and War of Liberation in 1971. Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh will mention Bangabandhu who struggled for his life, and Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh, this program will enchant everyone, hopefully. Finishing line, I honor the freedom fighter and martyrs. I salute them for his great contribution, who sacrificed their lives at the cost of many lives. Dear student, you know your assignment on Golden Jubilee of Bangladesh. You will must some point in your script or assignment khata and you will elaborate your answer. Of course, you will find out this point. Look at the board. The point are cultural event, cultural event, cultural event, event. Next point, national anthem. National anthem. Next point, welcome speech. The fourth point, song. Next, poem recitation. Poem recitation. Next, drama. And then dance. Only two beautification of the program. History. History. Guest speech. Guest speech. Then president speech. President speech. And then the end. Dear student, in our cultural program, we shall promise to develop our country. To develop our country, we will must work, and we shall promise to fulfill our target, sustainable development goal, and we shall promise to fulfill our target, million development goal. We work and we cooperate with one another to develop our country, and we will also cooperate for our development of our school, and we help with one another to progress our school. Dear student, I honor the head teacher that he continued the online class, and also thanks teacher and madam who is very eager to take the online class. Finishing line, last moment, we must self-care, sound body, sound mind. Remember, the more you conscious, the more you benefited to keep sound body and sound mind. Remember, sound body and sound mind lies in sound sleep. Allah Hafiz.